Oh, hey, sorry to disappoint if you expect me to come down in that pink bunny suit, but well, welcome back, and today we're going to answer, or try to answer, that age-old question of when you take down your Christmas decorations. So, if you stick around, you just might learn something. Well, hey, season's greetings from Fairfield, Iowa. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the house. And if you're new to joining us, I'm Rich.
And I'm Kendra.
And well, when we're not decorating the school of Victorian House, we're trying to restore the school of Victorian House. And want to thank everyone for chiming in on last week's video, our Christmas video. Lots of great comments for those that shared their stories of, you know, how it made them tear up and cry, and for the emails that we got and private messages, you know, sharing some of their personal stories with their connection to the house and what it meant to them, and what our Christmas decor meant to them. Well, it made us tear up and cry, so we're even. And so I just want to thank everyone that subscribed to the channel, and, you know, welcome aboard, and hope you enjoy well, the rest of our videos. And so we're going to get back into work on the house, and we want to answer one of the most frequently asked questions we got, and that was how long it takes us to do all this. And well, if you've been following our channel, you know that we take down Halloween October 31st, and well, we start decorating November 1st, and we hope to get ready have it all finished by December 1st. And so, you know, if you've seen our Halloween, you know, Christmas kind of makes that look like a slow ride to Grandma's house. And so next we've got the most frequently asked question we got there was, well, when do we take it down? I'm actually surprised how many people don't know when to take down their Christmas decorations. I mean, doesn't anyone know what Christmas is all about?
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Shut up, Linus. This is my Christmas video. I mean, there are 12 days of Christmas. The Muppets wrote a whole song and everything about it.
And the partridge in a pear tree. And the cloud that says, "Run my true I get to me."
So, there you have it. You got 12 days. So, you know, if you forgot that there were 12 days, you got 12 days of Christmas. So, for those of you that are sad taking your tree down on December 26th or January 1st for that matter, you have 12 days. That ends January 6th. And so, you have until February 1st to get those decorations put away before the Christmas goblins. You haven't heard of the Christmas goblins? Well, let me illuminate. You see, the Christmas goblins come out on February 1st, and they wreak havoc on the household, bring bad luck. So if you had a leaky roof or maybe cracks in your foundation, can't find that left sock. Maybe it's because you left that tree up until July. Just saying, something to consider. Because in the old world, through Victorian times, those Christmas goblins were bad luck, considered bad luck. And well, you wanted to make sure that you had your Christmas decorations properly put away by February 1st to make sure that you had a prosperous year. Now, I don't believe in a lot of magic, a lot of superstitious hocus pocus, but you know, I got enough projects and problems with this house, so our decorations will be coming down January 7th, and they will be properly tucked away by February 1st. Speaking of projects, you know, we've gotten a lot done this past year, and I want to thank everybody for following us along, and those that have watched our video. And well, for those that are new, that are just joining us, well, it'd be kind of silly of us to leave you with the at the end of the year without the obligatory recap montage.
Hey, honey. Now what are you doing?
You said to strip the foyer after Christmas.
I said to strip the foyer of the Christmas decorations.
Oh.
no dunce. I know people just live but once, and here's a man that's having lots of fun. Do, things that I don't know about can't be worthwhile finding out, 'cause I believe I'm having lots of fun. Do. Never had a lady friend attempt to turn me down. Always spend my money in the hottest place in town. So on my tombstone have applied, Elijah, man that's satisfied, 'cause I believe I'm having lots of fun.
Ta-da! You see, that's what I'm talking about. Old house charm. Don't take this down to put up a ceiling fan. Well, that was a lot of fun. And, it's been a lot of fun actually sharing our little house journey here with you all year. And when we started this channel just a little over a year ago, we got asked quite a bit about doing a live stream. If we considered doing a live stream, and well, we made a promise and we set a goal that if we hit 5,000 subscribers, we'd do that live stream. And well, last week's Christmas video brought us to 5,000 subscribers. And that same week, we hit 5,000 followers on Facebook. And so I want to thank everybody for following us along and subscribing to the channel. And so next week's video, Saturday, our first video of the new year, we're going to attempt to do that live stream. And I will post the details as soon as those get finalized later on in the week and make sure that that happens. But it should be next Saturday at noon Central Time. And so until then, cheers and Happy New Year. Could be. Just what I always wanted. Another project.